you're setting up for a show or an event, you don't have time for tape that fails. BT-437 is a reliable, clean removal, double-sided carpet tape designed to help you get the job done right the first time. With strong, balanced adhesion on both sides, BT-437 holds carpets firmly in place in high foot traffic areas and removes cleanly when it's time to pack up. Quick, clean, and simple. BT-437 is hand tearable and easy to work with, helping crews cover large spaces fast. Whether you're managing a one-day event or long-term installation, BT-437 provides a reliable hold, clean removal, and professional results that you can trust. A highly versatile solution, BT-437 has also been used in abatement and containment, display mounting, temporary bonding, and trade show installations. Available on an easy release liner for ease of handling, BT-437 can also be customized in lengths and widths to fit your exact needs. Contact a Bron application specialist like myself to learn more.